When I tell you I've tried so many hair dryers, ridiculously extremely expensive ones to extremely cheap ones, and this by far is the most impressive hair dryer I have ever seen. Let me show you. First of all, it folds, easy travel, and it just pops right open. Look how beautiful this is. This is magnetic. It's magnetic. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. Has this little cord holder. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna plug it in so I can show you how easy this is to use. This is not the loudest hair dryer I've used, but it's definitely not super duper quiet. It's somewhere in the middle, but I'm gonna turn it on just so you can see. Look. So you saw those modes. You can adjust the fan, you can adjust the temperature, and then there's still a cool shot feature here, on and off switch here. Nothing accidentally gets hit. It feels so nice in your hand. It's super lightweight. Pick yourself up one of these today.